The tool we are using is Google My Maps. Google My Maps is a service that enables users to create custom maps for personal use or sharing. Users can add points, lines, and shapes on top of Google Maps.
Getting to Google My Maps is pretty easy. First, you'll go to Safari, then you'll type in Google, and then you'll type in Google My Maps. The purpose of Google My Maps is mainly directions and mapping. A cool feature Google My Maps has is you can create a custom map, and you can also rename the map, and you can also share it with friends. Some helpful icons Google My Maps has is select items, add marker, draw a line, add directions, and measure distances and areas.
Something cool about Google My Maps is the different base maps, such as the map, satellite, terrain, light political, mono city, simple atlas, light landmass, dark landmass, and whitewater.
Today we are going to use satellite to show you a better view. We're going to look around the University of Cincinnati Blue Ash.
As you can see, it shows a good realistic view of our campus. For this lesson today, we are going to use Google My Maps.
The Smith family is going on a road trip from Cincinnati, Ohio to Houston, Texas. They plan to make 3 stops on the way. First, they'll be stopping at Nashville, Tennessee. Then they'll be stopping in Memphis, Tennessee. And third, they'll stop at Dallas, Texas.
The purpose of this lesson is to show how to pinpoint each destination and to figure out the miles in between each stop and the overall mileage from the starting point to the ending point, which is from Cincinnati, Ohio to Houston, Texas.
So as we said before, you will start by pinpointing each step. How you pinpoint is by clicking the add marker icon and then dropping it at each location.
First off, you will put a marker at Cincinnati, Ohio.
To help stay organized, you should name each location. For the first stop, we'll put starting point.
Then you will drop your next pinpoint on Nashville, Tennessee, which is the first stop.
And we'll name it first stop.
Next, you will pinpoint the second stop, which is Memphis, Tennessee. The third stop is in Dallas, Texas, so you will add a marker there. And finally, you will pinpoint the final destination, which is Houston, Texas. Now we will show you how to find the distance between each stop. How you will do this is by using the ruler icon, which measures distance. First, you will go from Cincinnati to Nashville, which is 240 miles. And then you go from Nashville to Memphis, which is 196 miles. After that, you go from Memphis to Dallas, which is 420 miles. And then finally, you'll go from Dallas to Houston, which is 222 miles. After adding up all the miles, you get a final answer of 1,076 miles.
This lesson will help students be able to measure distance on a map.